What's up, Facebook? This Mike here with Trushine Cleaning, and showing you guys getting everything together for this season, mobile detailing. So got my little bucket here. Never had one of these before, but seen a lot of different guys use them. But the reason I got it is because I can keep all of my attachments, little stuff like this that goes on the end of vacuum with the wet vac, little detail, little brushes and stuff like this, small little brushes like this that goes to the like cleaning little cracks and crevices and everything like that. Tire brush. This is for leather cleaning. This is for applying the conditioner or dressing. A little detail, couple detail brushes and everything like this. It's just some tire cleaner. And picked up a few other things. So I'm gonna see how these work. These is for glass. These are the tiles right here. I also have a pack of microfiber tiles too, but as you guys can see, got a bunch of little stuff. I had all this stuff last year. Had all this little stuff from last year when I did the services last year and everything like that. So none of this stuff is new. Only thing really new for real is this little black bag that wraps around the bucket. So let's see if I can move this bucket. So got me a few folders here with my price list in it. You can see this is the services that I offer. So this sheet I actually had professionally made. Someone made this for me, but this sheet I made myself off my phone, an app I just used off my iPad. It's something that I created, something simple, but you know. So usually when I go to customers' homes, I hand them one of these, even though I usually text them a digital copy of it already, but I still take them in the copy just so they can see it. Same way with this, I'm going to start delivering those as well when I go to customers' houses. Even if I'm not doing this service, I'm still going to hand the customer a sheet of this, because you know the whole goal is to get the information out there to other customers. So that's pretty much it for detailing. I got my steam machine in here. I got a couple of little hoses. A couple of other little solutions and everything. I think this is the deodorizer. I'm not really sure, but just a bunch of other little different things. A generator, 3,500 watts. So I try to keep things separated. So I got a little space right here. I'm looking for a wet vac. I'm looking for something that's with high quality, but something that's kind of small, because I got a wet vac now, but it's really too large to put in here, and I just don't want to wrestle with it right now. So I'm looking for one. So I may purchase one off Amazon. I've seen a few of them I've been looking at, but other than that, so this half of the van from here, everything up here will be for mobile detailing and car washes, even though I have my my pressure washer in the back. But I try to keep things separated, and I usually don't keep this 175 buffer on my van, but it's a great backup tool. So I'm trying to make space so I don't have to take it off, because sometimes when my extractor goes out, hold on. Let me see. Well, sometimes my extractor goes out, I'll be having to clean the carpet with low moisture, and it's basically using those pads back there, and I clean the carpet that way. But, got me a sign right here that I usually prop up when I go to customers' houses, and just shows my number, and really just shows that I do cleaning and disinfecting services. I may change this up, because eventually eventually, hopefully I can do it this year. If not, I'm pushing towards this year, but as you see, this is my logo. This is my new logo I got made this year. And I'm trying to get everything uniform with the same thing. So this vinyl wrap on this van will be taken off, and this sign will be removed as well. I want to get my logo. I want to get everything with this same type of color. Kind of want to get my logo on the van, so I'm looking forward to doing it this year. So we're just gonna see how things go, but I definitely want to take this wrap off and go another way with it. But as you can see, I got my wet vac. I can't talk. See, I got my pressure washer. Everything in this compartment is for carpet cleaning, furniture cleaning, tile floors. Everything in here is mainly what I use for those. This is for pressure washing services. So everything is in here for from mobile detailing to cleaning concrete, cleaning house sidings and everything. So I got my vacuum hose. As you can see, my wine. I gotta do some work to this wine. I haven't really been using it lately, but I'm finna get ready to use this thing now. I'm finna head to a job. Go do clean some furniture. That's pretty much it, y'all. So I'm looking forward to the season where I'll be running all of my services, because usually 7 months out of the year, 7 to 8 months out of the year, I detail and wash cars. But all year round, I clean carpet, clean furniture, clean tiling grout, strip and wax VCT tile floors. So that's pretty much it, y'all. So hopefully this year I will have a whole new wrap on the van. But we're gonna see how things go. And if anybody's looking for services, give me a call at 314-518-1853. You can also follow me on Facebook at Trushine CC. That's the business page. And YouTube, Trushine Carpet Cleaning. Thanks for watching.